Hey everybody, we're going to be starting our next batch of 15 hours of live sessions starting this Friday. It's going to be for 8 days straight, 2 hours every day. You're going to learn everything about all modules in the CELPIP exam. It's a live session, so you will be getting help from a live teacher. You will get feedback on all 4 modules and strategy, tips, tricks, templates, materials, everything you need for a good score. We aim for 9 to 10 plus, and 90% of our students in these sessions get that score. So how you can register is go on the link in the description, check out all the details. If everything looks good to you, you can register right away. You can send an email if you have any questions. Spots are limited and we're starting this Friday, so make sure to register before that. Everything else, all the details, the login details will be sent to you via email. And again, if your CELPIP exam is near, especially in the next week or 2 weeks, 8 days of training and you can almost virtually guarantee your score of 9 plus. Everything is provided in these sessions. Most importantly, feedback. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to comment as well.